Good morning, team Blessed. This is your girl Amy. Get dressed with me for work with what I have in my closet. This is the basic clear. Excuse my nose. I'm on the high court, so definitely my nose is like it looks like I break my mic. My mic is broken. It looks like I have a cold, but I don't have a cold. It's just an allergic reaction. Oh, I messed up my mic. Yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with. So I'm gonna put on this jean. I think I got this jean from Aldi a while ago. I'm not really a jean person, so I barely pick up expensive jeans because I'm not really a trousers kind of person. I'm more into dresses and shoes, not sneakers. I think I have only like two sneakers or three. One is for sports, and the two is just normal sneakers that I wear for the days that I don't feel like wearing any of my boots or heels. I just wear that sneaker. That jean is a bit tight, you girls. Yeah, with my weight, I'm always up and down, up and down, up and down with this weight thing. My weight journey is up and down. Today I'm skinny, tomorrow I'm a bit chubby, next day I'm skinny again. It's just, yeah, it is what it is. But one thing I've loved so far is right now I don't really get like skinny, skinny, skinny to the way I used to be like before. Now I don't know, maybe it's the age thing as well. So even though I lose weight, I still legit, and I like that. I like that part. Okay, we gotta sit down and stretch. Gotta make sure it's comfortable. I'm sitting down at work. I have to pick something. Oh god, your girl is crazy. Even though the trousers is tight, you can still see the waistline. It's always big, but you know what? It is what it is. Like this is the thing. I can have size 40 when it comes to the trousers, but my waistline is 38. So this is just too big. But it's okay. I'm gonna wear this yellow shirt. This is such an old shirt. I got this from AliExpress long time ago. It's such an old shirt, but it's so good. And I really take good care of my stuff. So yeah, that's why my stuff always look good because I take good care of it. I really take good care of my stuff, and I'm extremely happy for that. I'm proud of myself for that. Hey, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I like when the hair is to be like on the fluffy side, like a bit messy, like no, not always looking cute, not too much of mess, but just a little bit of mess, a little bit, and not destroy anyone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like this. I love it. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Let me wear my boots. Today I'm excited. I'm feeling good. Today I'm feeling good. Yeah. Some days I don't feel good, but today I'm feeling good. I look good. I feel good. Today I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling happy with my whole coat. At least I was able to get some sleep. I was able to sleep a bit. I don't like the fact that this is not. Oh, I don't want to put a belt because then it becomes. I like it like this. I like it like this. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. Let's be serious for once. Let's be serious. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. Oh, cute. This is the allergic around, not the allergic, like the thing around my mouth is getting better. It's not an allergic. It's just hormonal issues. It's getting better. Oh, excuse me. As the sound, the thing, excuse me. Please, I'm begging. I can't help it. It's just the whole chord is just crazy. Today, let's go for Coco. Yeah, I feel like I'm good. I just feel like wearing this. I just feel like the black bottle, the black and yellow. Even though I've already sprayed my soul de Janeiro body mist, like that one is automatically. I wash with my perfume. Like when you come to my bedroom always smells so good just because of the perfumes I sprayed. My bedroom always smells so good. That's why my daughter always like comes to. I give my daughter the good girl, the one in the feet bottle, the perfume in the feet bottle. I gave that to my daughter because she likes that smell. So she always comes to my room and spray it, and I'm so like, don't do it. And then one day I was like, you know what? I'm tired of complaining. I just gave it to her. So now she used that for school, and she washed with it. Like I'm like, God, she sprayed like. And she was like, but that's the same thing you do when you spray. You do shish 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 shish. Shish. I was like, but I can afford it. You cannot afford it. But yeah, it's just so crazy. This daughter of mine. But, that's what I say. Like, you are as a parent, you are the speaker. You are the mirror of your kids. Like, it's not what you told them to do, it's what they see you do. That's what they do, and that's the funny thing. Like I'll tell her, no, you just have to spray one, two, three. It's okay. But she's like, nah, you don't spray three. You spray shh. So I'm also gonna spray shh. And I'm like, if this bottle finish, it's finished. Luckily, I don't even have any backup of that perfume. I don't have any of that anymore. So yeah, and that's the only perfume she loved, and she also loved this one. Is Dior. I do have a backup of this one. I do have extra bottle of this one. Those are the two fragrances that she really loves in here. Yeah, but she's still very young. So yeah, Timfulness, this is the outfit look of today. Excuse my nose, please. There's nothing I can do about it. It's just so crazy. This is the outfit look of the day. Timfulness, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel effort down until you leave that understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Peace out. Bye.